Maya. Hey, Fiona. What are you guys doing?
Hey. We're trying to research about universities, but this information is so cryptic.
Yeah, these websites suck these days.
I know, right? These websites were made like years ago. Have you guys heard about this new app called Mellon Planner?
Whoa, no, tell us about it.
Yeah, it helps you plan your future and make it much easier to find information about post-secondary.
Hello and welcome to our presentation of the app we've been working on for the past couple weeks. The app is called Mellon Planner because melon is future in Greek. So this app is a planner for the future. So, what is this app exactly? It's an efficient, time-reducing, and interactive tool for students. This app puts all the information that a student would need about post-secondary right in one space. All right, moving on to what the homepage consists of. It's a welcome mat with a starter button to help new users get the hang of how to use the app. It also has a big watermelon to drive the point home that this is a melon planner.
All right, so current features. The remaining pages are the main focus of this app about making a change in students' lives. This app is here to represent student lives and how tough it can be to find scholarships, school prerequisites, and even someone to help you out. But this app helps you and makes everything easier by putting it all in one space with an easy essay editor to help your university and college admission, a school organizer to help find requirements for schools, and scholarship searchers to help with getting in cheap. All right, the school organizer. This page is all about school prerequisites. We have 3 buttons on the screen, as you can see on the left, which represent the course you want to choose and the school you're choosing from. Click on each button, choose which place you want to go, hit the search button, and a list of requirements will pop up on the screen.
This is the scholarship search. It will help you search for scholarships. It shows the price or the amount of money you get from each scholarship. It shows who is giving out the scholarship. It has a nice little search thingy at the top that helps you find schools that you can enter. It is a nice, fun little device that will make your life so much easier. Those lists of scholarships are really, really long. This is Melanie. She is a chatbot-ish or AI-ish part of the app. She can do some interview questions, tell you if your admissions essay is a bad topic, and other than that, doesn't have huge abilities. Our coding skill ain't large, but she's a very nice and useful tool. The future features. In the future, we are planning to, or hoping to add a tax calculator, a cost of living searcher, finder, I don't know, and a job finder. Tax calculator helps with taxes. Cost of living helps find your cost of living. And the job finder shows available jobs. And that is all.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, team, the Mellionaires. So, Jotham, it looks like it's just you today. Thank you for coming. First of all, I love the fact that you have a watermelon at the end of your Mellionaire's name. So that's great. So let's start off. Maybe Pavisha can kick us off with a question from the judging panel.
Hello. So a really great app. I wish I had that when I was applying for university many years ago. So yeah, congratulations on that. So for me, I'm just curious on how a user would be, as a new user, how would I go about creating like my profile? Do you guys have that feature, or is there any settings that you have set up so that I can save my searches? What am I looking for? Is there any of those features added in your app?
No, we never actually added any like profile or features like that. Just I guess we never thought of that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's totally fine. So maybe like you can tell me a little bit more about how did you come up with this idea and what kind of research did you do for this app?
So we came up with this idea because we're all students who are made to do various projects that include researching university websites, and all of them are painful. And so half of this is essentially to remove the pain of trying to figure out what the requirements are. That is definitely the main focus of the app.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks, Khadija. Any follow-up questions from the other judges in the panel?
Yeah, I like the fact that you have that chatbot, the Melanie chatbot. Can you tell us more about that chatbot and how does it work? And can it write the essay for you?
No, Melanie cannot write an essay. So Melanie is a hard-coded chatbot, and so Melanie, she'll type in what you want to type into Melanie, and she'll respond with, like, so if you're doing an essay, currently she can only essentially tell you if your essay is a bad topic. Can't tell you if it's good, just if it's bad. That's the algorithm I've made so far. Yeah, very simplistic, crashes often. I don't know why. I don't know how this does.
That's great. No, that's great that you thought about the chatbot, because I think that's the key that will, if you make it really good, if it does pick up all the different requirements from different universities, it can be a great product. Mm-hmm. Great job.
Wonderful. Great question and great answer. Any more follow-up questions from the panel?
Yeah, it's a very cute and interesting app. Like Khadija said, I would have liked this if I went back and went through university all over again. And so the question I have is, I was wondering if you can elaborate a little bit more on some of the pain points that you guys found, and like why is the current experience of going through finding post-secondary difficult, and how do you guys think that the 3 features you've implemented solve the problems?
So just like the websites, every single university has a different website with a different layout, and like everything's completely different. There's generally similarities, but it takes a while to get used to them. And so the first part of the app, the school searcher, helps find those. The second part, the scholarship finder, whatever I named it, I totally forgot. It has a list of scholarships that you can sort through. And then finally, Melanie is able to help you with the application process, like itself, essentially, right? So find it, get it cheaper, apply. That's kind of how the 3 work together.
Perfect, thank you.
Okay, wonderful. Great. Great answers, Jotham. Again, wonderful presentation, and thanks. That's all the time we have for now. So don't forget to claim your Among Us color, and good luck, and we'll talk to you in a little bit.